Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to Ambassadors Hub Cryptokademy. My name is Chijoke Daniel, your number one crypto analyst, your number one crypto profitable investor and trader. Okay, let's just get right into it.
All right. We are recording now. So, like I was saying today, the crypto space is a mass space, so you want to trade carefully. Uh, for me, I basically want to divide crypto into two aspects. We have the trading, and then we have the hodling. And the hodling, you can also call it the investment side of crypto, where you just want to put in your money, buy a couple of assets, hold them for long, anticipating and desiring and as well hoping that they increase over time in percentage and in a lot of movements. So trading, like I said, trading is just day to day, weekly to weekly, monthly to monthly buying and selling of assets. That one, you're in trading, you're not necessarily holding. In trading now, what you're basically doing is you're just scalping the market. We are going to get much more deeper into this hodling and trading stuff. Is also one of the topics we'll be trading further. But I just want to give a background for most of the topics that I have already written out, so we know what to expect. So we know what to expect. Now, in the trading, whether you're trading or whether you're holding, one thing is very vital. One thing is important, and it's called capital, right? It's called capital. There's no business that you want to do that you don't need capital. So even in the crypto market space, the crypto space, you need capital to necessarily make profit. Yeah, you need capital, not just capital, but good capital. But hey, don't be frightened. Don't be frightened. In the crypto market space, your capital, even though you might not have huge capital like some persons, it doesn't mean you can't make profit. Yeah, you can make profit actually, even with the little capital you have. But I think someone has asked me before that was my recommended startup for anyone that wants to start crypto. Uh, Talking of a general market, let's say okay, you want to have serious portfolio in Binance. Um, we'll be talking about 50,000 naira upwards, right? This is just for let me call it. Should I call it? Which level should I call it now? Let's say standard. Yes, let's say standard. Yes, basic. Yes, standard. Then we cannot have premium. We cannot have professional. We cannot have quagmire. So yeah, let's call this one standard. So, but with as little as $10, you can buy an asset. You can buy a cryptocurrency. Please, at this point, I'll need feedback. I'll need feedback. If you're hearing me and if you're following up, please just kindly indicate. Press the middle button you're seeing on your phone. Let me hear from us. I need our feedback. I hope you can hear me and I hope you are following up.
Yes, sir. I hear you, sir.
Yeah,
Okay. In
hear you,
fact,
sir.
I'll be allowing everybody to speak, but please, hello. I need total focus. If your background is noisy, I'll mute your mic. So, but I want to allow everybody's mic to be active. What you just want to do for me is mute it. When it's time to speak, you can indicate. You can just unmute your mic and then speak. I'll listen. So I'll be allowing everyone to speak. So okay, yeah. Even those that are on mute will be allowed to speak.
I can hear you, sir.
Okay. With as little as $10, you can buy an asset in the crypto market space. You although just like any formal business out there, the more your capital, the more your profit. Simple economics is simple finance. The more your capital, the more your profit. But then as as probably maybe if you don't have good sufficient money
Yes,
to
sir, we can
start off
hear
with.
you. We can hear you, but it's not steady. The connection is not steady.
Okay, is anybody else experiencing the same thing? Let me know if it's from my network or maybe probably if it's from your own end. Is there
I
any
think
other
that
person that
should
is
be
experiencing the same?
its own network because I'm hearing it clearly.
Okay, okay.
I
Network is
can hear you
clear.
loud and clear. Maybe the network is disturbing from the other guy's end.
All right, all right, right. So you might want to check your background, find a good place where you can get good network signal. I had to personally make sure I didn't have or I don't have any interruptions in network for tonight's class. Okay. Yeah. So please, I need a favor. Someone will just help me redirect people from WhatsApp to this place. I'm seeing a couple of stuff on my WhatsApp page, and a lot of persons are saying nothing is there, this and that. So someone just help me share the link to them. Let them join in. Let them just join on Telegram. This is what I've been advocating for since. All right, back to what I was saying. Now, like I was saying, I said, don't be frightened about the whole crypto frenzy and all that. You might just want to tell yourself, but I don't have money now. Trust me, no amount is too small. Neither is any amount too big. It's just a matter of your perspective. And you can grow from $10 to $1,000. It's not magic. It requires hard work, persistency, consistency as well. You can grow. You can grow from $10 to $1 and $1,000. Sorry, right? Just stay put. Stay put. If there are things you necessarily need directions on, guidance on, you're free to chat myself up or my colleague. You're free to chat the person up, right? And get yourself clarified. So I also want to believe that everyone here has been able to put up their Binance account. Now, if your Binance has not been verified, don't panic yet, right? Don't panic. I'll still be uploading another video on my YouTube channel where you can also check out and see if the issue is unique to you, because I've noticed from different persons that there, there are different issues that they face during the whole Binance registration and verification process, right? Now, why Binance? Why Binance? Let me answer that question. It's simple. Binance is one of the most safest and trusted crypto trading and hodling platform out there. There are several others that will be releasing as we progress. As we progress, there are several others that will be releasing as we progress. But I personally prefer Binance. Personally prefer Binance. Okay, so let's just take a couple of stuffs before into so now talking about our outline, the outline I gave earlier on today, the terminologies I stated. I talked about alts. I talked about alts. That's other coins apart from BTC. I hope we saw that, right? We all saw that earlier on in the class today when I talked about alts, all-time high, all-time low, bag, hold, and FOMO and Ford and the rest. We all saw that, right? Hello, I'm asking for feedback.
Yeah, we did.
Okay,
I did.
thank you. All right, now when we talk about other coins that are not that other than BTC, when we talk about trading or hodling other coins other than BTC, we are talking about all those other coins that came out after BTC was successfully launched. Now, like I was saying earlier on today, BTC was launched in 2008, but officially entered the market in 2009 at an opening price of $0.00, meaning it launched at the price of nothing. But then, as of today, we all know the price of Bitcoin. As of last year, we all saw Bitcoin was about 66 or 60 something thousand dollar per one, right? Now, when we're talking about altcoins are coins like Ethereum. Let me mention the popular ones, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, um, Mana. Uh, help me if you have those coins. Help me. I'm trying to look for the most common ones. We have Solana. We
FTM,
have
FTM,
Cardano. We have Matic. FTM. Yes, FTM. That's Phantom.
Crew,
Crow.
Sand,
Yeah,
Mbox.
Sand, Pro, Sand, Mbox. Yeah, a
Internet
couple of
computer.
others.
Polygon. Algo.
ICP. Thank you. Algo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so these coins are coins that came into the market years later as time progresses, developers, institutions comes together to see if they can find and fund their own project. For example, there's this current news that Amazon is trying to create their own metaverse. I think they've even done that, but we don't really know if the news is true. But I know that Amazon is working towards building their own metaverse. I think 2 days ago, I saw an update from Binance that the renowned singer John Legend is designing his own coin. Is minting his own coin and he's trying to launch it on Binance. And I think Binance is going to accept that project right now. These are how crypto markets, or rather cryptocurrencies, comes into the market, right? This is how cryptocurrencies comes into the market. There are millions of coins in the crypto space. That's why I said earlier on that this crypto space is crazy. It can either make you, or it can either send you back to the village. Yes, crypto market can either make you or send you back to the village. I think in December last year, early on in December last year, a lot of persons had to pack their bags because of um the dip we saw in the crypto market space, right? So yeah, so you just want to be careful out there on the kind of projects you're getting into, the kinds of coins you're tampering with, right? So those are altcoins. Altcoins are like I said, there are other coins apart from BTC. Now, when we are talking about all time high is a position in the market where a particular coin or a particular cryptocurrency has risen to and can no longer break that point. At that particular point, it starts coming down. At that particular structure, at that particular line, at that particular range, it starts coming down. Now,
Well, then,
for example,
yeah, I mean,
for example, sorry, who is that? Who is that? You're disrupting me. Make sure if you want to speak, make sure your mic is on mute. That's if you want to talk to someone that is in your background, mute your mic and then do whatever you want to do. Then come back. So yeah, let's say for example, in 2010, Bitcoin closed the year at $32,000, and then probably in 2011 January, it rose up to $42,000. $42,000 becomes the new all-time high. $42,000 becomes the new all-time, meaning that at $42,000 it could no longer go up. Rather, it started coming back down. Now, all-time high positions, and all-time high ranges can be we can use them as resistance. We can use them as our resistance. I know you may not be following me up at this point, but don't bother. Just subsequent classes, you'll be understanding what I'm saying today. You'll be seeing it on charts. You'll be getting to know what those all-time highs, how all-time highs are for resistance. Yes.
let's have it.
So
I mean,
going further in our class,
yeah.
somebody's mic is on. Who is that? Who is that? Somebody's mic is on.
The network was the network was bad, sir.
My network, are you serious? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Please, who else can hear me? Who else can hear me out there? Who else can hear me?
I
I can
hear you
hear
clearly.
you. I can hear you.
Can also hear you.
I hear you too.
And loud. I think it's the network.
All
Hear
right.
you
It was the network, but we can hear you now.
Yeah, I can hear you.
can hear you.
mute your mic. Yeah, thank you. So still on the talking about all-time highs, like I was saying, each new all-time high can form a resistance point for any market or for any coin you want to buy or any currency pair you want to buy. Each new all-time high can form a resistance, and then each new all-time low can form a support. Now, for traders, those all-time highs and all-time lows are important for us. I said for traders, not everyone here is going to be a trader. Trust me. Some persons here would just be better off buying and investing their money into crypto assets, which is good. Which is good because hodling on its own has. I'll talk about that in our trading and hodling class. Yes, I'll talk about that. There's no point going into that now. So I was saying that all-time highs are beneficial for traders. Why? Because we make our money from all-time low to all-time high, like support and resistance. We trade basically. I personally, let me not say we now. I personally trade from support to resistance, resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance to support. It's as simple as that. That's for me. So everyone has their strategy. Everyone has what works for them. But personally, for me, that's how I trade. So just don't bother about the whole trading stuff. If you can't get a hold of it now, just keep your cool. When we get to trading and hodling session, you get to follow up, right? So let's see now. Bad, yeah. Talking about bad, it is very important. In as much as you're a trader, whether you're a trader or whether you're a hodler, it's very important that you hold certain coins in good quantity. Um, okay, I made a post on the flyer that was used for publicity for this class. I mentioned there that I'll be giving four coins that everyone can go and bag for massive profits in 2022, and that's my own bonus to you. Literally, that's my bonus to you. I don't know why I will call it bonus, because I know when you call something bonus, it means something was paid for and then you're giving something extra. But in this case, I know the class is free, but still yet I'm giving it as bonus. Reason is this: if you're able to back these coins, I strongly believe I and a couple of analysts. I have a couple of friends that are all good analysts, and we've been able to go over these projects, see their possibilities, see their viabilities, see their efficiency, see their worth, their value. It's not all coins that you will buy. Yes, and there are reasons for that. Before you can get to buy a coin in the crypto market, you will have to do good research. Yes, so you don't lose your money. We've seen cases where people buy coins, and at the end of the day, those coins they get delisted from an exchange. Yes, they get unlisted all of a sudden, probably because they are not doing well or one or two factors. So before you want to buy any cryptocurrency project, there are certain things you will need to check. I'll teach these things deeper. You know what we are doing today is just welcome to crypto. Yeah, I'm trying to lay a good foundation for everyone here. Just like I said in the afternoon, in case you're having some fear in your heart, no, relax. You will learn. You will learn, and you will learn well. You will understand the market, and you as well make your money from the market. Yeah. So talking about bag, still on bag, it's good that you buy certain coins in huge quantity. Yes, it's very good. The reason is if those coins are to ever pump, yes, and if they are good projects, we can use the word whenever they pump. You know, when we talk about if, when we talk about if, like let's say if I don't know if Matic will pump, it means you're uncertain. Means you're uncertain. But when you say things like whenever Matic pumps, it means you're sure that one way or the other Matic is going to pump. It's just a matter of time. The only thing is that you can't determine the time. So we want to deal with coins that we can always know their when, not their if. Yes, we want to deal with coins that we can always know their when, not their if. At a certain level in your knowledge and in your advancement in the crypto space, you will get to also trade ifs. Yes, like currently I can trade coins that are on the if side. Don't there's a table I have for ifs and when coins. These things are way much advanced stuff, right? So let's still roll on the basic. So it's good that you back certain coins in good quantity. Let's take, for example, Solana. Why I've just been so much interested in that Solana is because of what it did last year. Because I was one of the persons that spotted Solana earlier on. I spotted Solana earlier on. Funny enough, I didn't buy Solana. Funny enough, and it's painful, right? I think I just made little trades here and there, scalping here and there, and then that was it. Okay, someone, please, I need you to open your calculator because I want us to do this mathematics together. I want us to do this maths together. Is anybody's calculator open? Or if you can open your calculator, just open your calculator.
Yeah, it's open.
All
It's
right,
open.
now,
It's open.
as of January, as of January 1st, 2021, are you there?
Yes. Yes.
Let me share my screen at this point so you see what I'm doing. I'm sharing my screen right now. Hope you can see my screen.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can see.
Okay.
Yes, I
Can you
can.
see
I
my
can see it. I can. We
somebody
can.
is
Yes.
speaking
No.
from the call? Please, I don't want to hear that pot sound. Oh, my brother, the noise in your background is affecting us. Please, wherever you are, you want to mute your mic. So if you can see my screen now, let's do this math. As of January 2021, one
Mm-hmm.
Solana was sold at 1.8421. One Solana was sold at $1.8421. $1 $8,421. I don't know if you get the point. That's almost $2, right? I think I've seen the person that's been doing this thing since. Anthony, wherever you are, please. We don't want to join you and party. We know, thank God, it's Friday. Uh-huh. All right. So one Solana was sold for $1.8421 for one. Now imagine you bought 50 Solana. So just do 1.8421 times 50 and tell me the figure you're seeing.
It's capital that is the problem.
I know. I want to. Okay. Yeah, just do the math. I'll speak on that capital matter to still show you that it's capital is not really an issue. Like I said, with as little as $10, you can still make as much as $1,000, depending on the project you buy, depending on the cryptocurrency you're buying at that time.
There's what I want to say about KCS. As KCS is $20 now, how can somebody buy SS? That's what I'm saying. Is capital. KCS.
We'll speak on projects that you can still get. There are tons of coins that will still outperform KCS. Yes, there are tons of coins that will still outperform KCS. So if you and like I said, fear of missing out. Don't ever feel that it's already pumped, so I can't buy it now. Even if a coin is $50, you can still buy $10 units of that coin. I'll speak on these things further, please. But let's just I want us to do this calculation right so that we all get
Okay,
to
okay.
follow up how profitable the crypto market can be. So please go and run the
92.105.
calculation. Huh?
92.105.
92.105. That's almost $100. So 50
Yes.
Solana, please, if you have
Yes,
a
yes,
pen, if you
yes.
have a pen, if you have your notepad. Okay, let me just share my screen also, my calculator. If you can see my calculator, just 1.8421 times 50. So 92.105, is that what you have?
Yes.
All right. Now, you're spending $92 to buy 50 Solana at 1.8421. price, and this is January 1st, 2021. Now, fast forward to December 1st, that same year, 2021. Solana did 11,962% in 1 year. So it ended with $222, 222.20 cents. So now we have 50 Solana. So 50 times 222.20. 50 times 222.20.
I understand what
You can see my screen, right?
yes, I understand.
That's
Yeah.
$11,110. That's 1 year. That's if you had bought Solana last year, 1st of January, and held on to it till December 1st, 2021, and you have 50 of it, you'll be making what? 10,110. Now let's imagine you bought with $10. Yes, for those that might want to say low capital now, right? So let's imagine you bought with $10. So you bought $10 divided by 1.8421. It means you'll be having this total number of Solana. You'll be having just 5.428 and all that. Yeah, 5.4 Solana. That's what you'll be having. Now, fast forward to December. Let's times it by our price in December times 222.20. So even if you had bought Solana with $10, you would have made $1,206. Are you seeing what I'm trying to explain now?
I'm seeing.
I'm seeing. It's cool.
If you're seeing this, please indicate. Oh, sorry, someone is trying to speak. Chidima, sorry.
I'm seeing it. I'm seeing
We
it.
also that calculation. It's very clear. Now this is just if you want to hold. But now what you want to ask yourself is, what kind of coin am I going to hold? Be able to make such profit, because trust me, why is it called crypto in the first place? So today I was trying to explain that word cryptocurrency. Why is it called crypto? It's cryptic, it's a mystery. You can't determine what will happen in the market. Hello?
Alright.
I hope you're following. I'm following.
Yeah, I'm following.
Yes.
Proceed.
You can't all right, yeah. You can't determine what is going on. Ore, Alpha, welcome. Okay,
Yeah.
let's continue. Determine what is going on in the market. You can't decide what happens in the market. As I was saying, now we can see the potential of a particular cryptocurrency in the market. This is just one out of the millions of currencies that you can trade. This is just one out of the millions of currency pairs that you can trade in the market. If you had told me that Solana would do 11,000% last year, I probably would not have believed you. Why? Because 11,000% is too outrageous, right? It's just too outrageous. What are your technicals? What are your fundamentals? What are your patterns? What is giving you such confidence? That's if you were to tell me it's going to rise up to that amount last year. There was literally no way you could figure that out. You might say yes, 50% is okay, 100% is okay, 200% is okay, 400% is okay. Yes, 500% is okay. I've done a trade and I got 400 and something percent in less than 2 hours. In less than 2 hours in the crypto space. So I could say, yeah, 400% is feasible. Even in 1 year service, too small. 1,000% for 1 year, I could say yes, but 11,000. But that's why it is crypto. The reason why it's crypto is that anything can happen.
Alright guys, that'll be all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's session of Ambassadors Hub Cryptokademy, where we dealt on the subject matter, welcome to crypto. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. God bless. Leave your comments, and then if you have any question, just move over to our Telegram community. The link is down below, down in the comment section. You see the link there. You join our Telegram community where you can ask your questions. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. My name is Daniel Obina, your number one crypto analyst, your number one profitable crypto trader and investor. Thank you guys. See you next time.